Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at 13 different Kailh switches. I will be going in depth on all of them, so if you came looking for a specific switch, there will be timestamps in the description. These switches are all tactile, just ranging in the amount of tactility. Alright, for the first switch we have right here is the Halo True. The actuation force is 60 grams and the travel is 4 millimeters. Next, we have the cousin of the Halo True, the Halo Clear. It has 65 grams of actuation force, 4 millimeters of travel. Both of these switches have a clear plastic lens that goes through all the way to the bottom of the switch to magnify the LED throughout the top half of the switch and into your backlit keys or just onto the plate. Next, we have the Hako Clear and the Hako Violet. The clear is 75 grams and the violet is 50. The violet has a very unique property that I've never seen before, in which it is IP56 water and dust resistant. It is a great switch to choose if you plan on bringing your keyboard on the go or on vacations. Now onto the Hako Royals. We have the Hako True and the Hako Clear. The True having 65 grams of actuation force and the Clear having 50. Now to my favorite switch, we have the Novel Keys Cream. It is a tactile switch, but the bump is very light and it is silky smooth after lubing. I've actually lubed mine with 205 G00, which in my opinion is great for lighter switches because it is less viscous than G0, but isn't as watery as 204. Now to the box switches, we have the Box Royal, the Navy, the Jade, and the Pink. The Navy, Jade, and Pink being the clicky ones. The Box Royal is the lightest switch we have today with a force of 40 grams. Next is the Box Navy with 60 grams of force and the Jade with 50. The Pink with 65 and the Speed Navy with 55. Now for the thing you've all been waiting for, the sound test. Alright, that's going to be all for the sound test. If you have any questions, I will be answering them in the comments. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.